Hello friends, now this is my channel Education Tech. Myself Mr. Valmik Tanpure. Today I am teaching to you the chapter Understanding Shape for the class 8th. Under the chapter Understanding Shapes we are going to study the exercise C. The exercise C. So today we will see the C exercise. Now first we will see the first question. Okay, first we will see the first question. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 89 degree and 113 degree. Okay, if the other two angles are equal, then find the equal angles. What we have to find? We have to find the equal angles. Now here, let first I am writing here question 1 answer. So here let the other angle is equal to x degree. What we will consider x degree. Then according to given, or we have to given according to given. What we have to given? So we have to given some concepts here in the question. In question we have to given some questions. So we can take that 89 degree plus 113 degree plus x degree plus x degree is equal to 360, because this is a quadrilateral. So x plus x, which will be the 2x, is equal to 360 degree minus, when this addition will come, there addition will, it will come from the right side, so which will be the 202 degree. So x is equal to, this 2 will send that side, so 360 minus 202, which will be the 158 degree upon 2. So x is equal to how much then? 79 degree. So we got the answer, x is equal to 79 degree. Got it now? So other two angles, how much? Other two angles will be the, we can say that other two angles is equal to 79 degree each. You have to write the answer in a sentence. Okay, always you have to write the answer in a sentence. Now after that we will see the question number, third question we will see. Now question 3 is there. See, question 3 answer. So what we have to give in the question number 3? Okay, question number 3 is there. I am going to read the question first. Angles of a quadrilateral are 4x degree, 5 into bracket x plus 2 degree, say in another bracket 7x minus 20 degree, and 6 into bracket x plus 3 degree. So we have to find the some values. Okay, we have to find the some values. Now the value of x and each angle of a quadrilateral, that thing we have to find. So angles of a quadrilateral are angles of, we can write angles of quadrilateral, we can write quadrilateral are, what angles we have to give, one which is given in a question, because you have the textbook, so you can see in the textbook. I have also textbook, so I am going to see in the textbook. So 4x degree plus 5 into bracket degree plus 5 into bracket x plus 2 plus 7 in another bracket 7x minus 20 plus 6 into bracket x plus 3, and their addition will be the 360 degree. This is the universal rule, because we know that addition of the all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So now take the addition, or you can first we will solve this bracket. 4x plus 5x plus 5 into 2, 10 plus 7x minus 20 plus 6 into x, 6x plus 6 into 3, 6 3 the 18, which will be the 360 degree. Then take the addition of the x terms. So this addition will be the, take this addition, which will be the 22x, and then what is remaining? 10 minus 20 plus 18, which will be the 8, is equal to 360 degree. Then send this 8 to that another side, which will be the minus. So 22x is equal to 360 minus 8. So 22x is equal to 352. This subtraction will be the 352. Then x is equal to 352 upon 22. Do this division. Okay, we have to divide this number. So which will be the 1 the, and it will be the 16 the. So x is equal to 16 degree. How much? X is equal to 16 degree. And keep it in mind, if the question is in sentence, you have to write the answer also in a sentence. Okay, then after that we will see the another one problem. So question number 5. Now I am going to solve the alternate problems. Question 5 is answer. So what is the question 5? Question 5 is given in a quadrilateral ABC. Okay, in quadrilateral ABC, you can see in quadrilateral ABCD, side AB is parallel to its DC, and if angle AS to D is equal to 1:2 and angle CS to B is equal to 4:5. So we have to calculate each angle of the quadrilateral. Second one, assign a special name to the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, then first I am going to draw the one quadrilateral. Okay, this is, you can draw the rough figure. Okay, you can draw the rough figure. From the rough figure we are going to solve the answers. So which will be the A, B, C and D. Otherwise you can give the labeling from this side also, A, B, C and D, either or. Okay, choice is yours. Then here you have to give on the 2x, it is you have to, so because 2x, then here I will take the 5y, here I will take the 4y. Okay, because we will get it in the equation. So let first write down angle A as 2, angle D is equal to 1:2. Then let angle A is equal to x and angle B is equal to 2x, because 1:2 is given. Then C as to D, C as to B is also given, C as to B is also given, C as to B is given 4:5. So angle C is equal to how much? We have taken the 4y, and angle B, which will be the 5y. Okay, then we have to given AB parallel to BC, because they have already said these two sides are parallel. It is given in a question. You can write here the reason also given. Then angle A plus angle D. Find where the angle A plus angle D. These two angles, because these are the interior angle. So sum of the interior angle is, we know that 180 degree. You have already studied. You can write here interior angles, this reason. So x plus 2x, which will be the 180 degree. Then 3x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180. This will be the divide. 3 1 the 60 the, so 60 degree. So we got the value. How much value you got? So x is equal to 60 degree. We have got the value. Okay. Then now after that we will see here. Then D is equal to, what is the D? See, what about the D? D is equal to 2x. D is how much? 2x. That means 2 into 60, which will be the 120 degree. Again, we know that B plus C, angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree, which will be how much? 180 degree. So 5y plus 4y is equal to 180 degree. Don't forget to write the degree symbol. So 9y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 upon 9. So which will be the y is equal to 20 degree. Got it now? 1 the, and this is 20 the. So then you can find the angle B also. Angle B is equal to, which will be the 5y is equal to 5y is equal to 5 into 20. So which will be the 100 degree. Got it now? Then see, angle C also you can find. Angle C is equal to, which will be the 4y. 4 into 20, which will be the 80 degree. Then now you got the angle B angle, you got 100 degree. C angle you got 80 degree. Then at the last again you can write down the angle A. All the angles you can write. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Write in all the angles at a time. So here we have find out B is 100 degree, C is 80 degree, and we got the angle A and D. A is how much? 60 degree, and D we got the 120 degree. Okay, like that we can solve the problem. Now another one problem we will see. So the question number 7th. Okay, because question 7th is here. Question 7. So what is the question number 7? Question 7 is there. See, so directly I'm go. So you have the textbook, so you can see the question. In a given quadrilateral ABCD, C is equal to 64 degree, D is equal to C minus 8 degree, A is equal to 5 into A plus 2 degree, and B is equal to 2 into 2A plus 7 degree. So we have to calculate the angle A. Now see, question number 7. In the given quadrilateral, we have to given here the one quadrilateral. In given quadrilateral, whatever values we have to given, ABCD, write down that values. Okay, write all the values. So angle A is equal to, now angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Write down this first, which is given in a question. Angle A is equal to 5 into bracket A plus 2, B is equal to 2 into bracket 2A plus 7, C is equal to, we have to given 64 degree, and D is equal to angle C minus 8 degree. Okay, now we know that the basic property of the quadrilateral. Angle A, therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Okay, then put the values. 5 into bracket A plus 2 plus 2 into bracket 2A plus 7 plus 64 plus angle C means how much? 64 minus 8 degree. 64 minus 8 degree. So we can take this addition. So A, first we have to solve this. So when we will solve, so which will be the 5A plus 5 into 2 10, 2 into A 4A, then 14, 2 plus 7 14 plus 64, and this subtraction will be the plus 56 is equal to 360 degree. Sorry, here also I forgot to write 360 degree. Don't forget to write 360 degree. Then take the addition of the AA. So which will be the 9A, 5A plus 4A, 9A, plus take this addition 10 plus 14 plus 64 plus 56, which will be the 144, is equal to 360 degree. Send this 144 that side. So 9A is equal to 360 minus 144. So which will be the 216. So 9A, then A is equal to 216 upon 9. Okay. So 9 ones are, and this is 24, that means 24 degree. So A is equal to 24 degree. A is equal to 24 degree. Then you can find the angles, or what we have to find only, you can find all the angles, but here we have to calculate only the angle A, which is equal to how much? Angle A is 5 into bracket A plus 2, then 5 into bracket A means 24 plus 2, then solve it, which will be the 130 degree. Got it now? So like that, same problems you can solve. Thank you.